Hey team, man, welcome back to another video, man. Thank y'all for tuning in, man. Thank y'all for liking, thank y'all for subscribing, all that good stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? We out here, what's today? Today Friday, man. You know what I'm saying? It's Fun Day Friday. That's Sunday Fun Day. What's Friday? TGIF. Yeah, TGIF. You know what I'm saying? We out here, y'all can see I just got to work, man. You know what I'm saying? Pepsi shirt on. I'm on the passenger side. I don't even know why I'm on the passenger side of my car right now. I never be on the passenger side. You know what I'm saying? I'm always driving. I need somebody to drive for me. You know what I'm saying? But I'm scared. I don't know if they're going to be able to handle it. You know what I'm saying? That scat pack, that killer bee thing. I don't know if they're going to be able to handle that. Hey, man, we out here today. I don't know. We about to do a drive-by for somebody. I missed the other drive-by they had. You know what I'm saying? If y'all follow, hit me like, Instagram, Ice Cat Drew Instagram, 14K Lonzo, Mozzie. Then y'all already know what them pictures like. Them pictures were dope when they did that little drive-by. Unfortunately, I had to work. You know what I'm saying? I didn't get out to work till like 9 or something like that. So I didn't get to make it. That picture was dope. So today, I'll hopefully it be just as dope as it was when they did. You know what I'm saying? Did that drive-by. After that, I don't know what we're gonna do today. I know they got some meets going on afterwards. So we probably gonna hit that up too. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we probably gonna hit that up too, because I don't know how long this little drive-by thing gonna last. So we probably gonna hit that up too. You know what I'm saying? But y'all stay tuned. Matter of fact, let me show you what we got. Let me show you who we got out here and what we got lined up right now. For Medusa, 345. Hey, bro. Hey, you know, Mark already had some cooked up for the Medusa too.
I seen.
You talk to him?
I seen somebody else had it, so I'm like, man, I gotta do something different.
Oh, God
gotta do something different.
God damn, bro. Hey, they were clean though. You posted though.
Appreciate it.
We got Zay put. He got the new Hemi thing. He got some lights on there already. You see that? We got Lonzo right here. Ford, the new spikes on the thing. New spikes. These spikes long in the back though. Look how. Oh man. These spikes long in the back though. Look how long the spikes is. I need to get some more spikes, man. Like I told y'all in my last video, man. I sold the spikes with the Hellcat replicas that I sold. So I gave them the spikes. They wouldn't even think about the spikes. So I took a loss on it. You know what I'm saying? We got the real 14K. Man, y'all should YouTube. See, I was gonna get my YouTube on the front sticker, but Jay told me about something about the police don't want to, they can pull you over. You got to stick on the I don't know. You know what I'm saying? That's what my car is going anyway. Got Ice Cat Drew right here. The New York on the side, man. The boy from ATOZ did that. We got Milo, this new Hellcat. I ain't even seen him in this car probably about one time. You know what I'm saying? Probably about one time. I ain't even know he got this done right here. And he got the calibers. He got the Brembos match. The Brembos match. That boy in wheel right here.
You asked me what's the ETA. We ain't lived with it.
Got him like that. Got him like. Got me right here. Got Fuji. Just came get some gas. We got Cap. Got Cap over here. You know what I'm saying? Looking real lit up. Cap real lit up right now. You know what I'm saying? Got TJ2 live. TJ2 live over here, man. You know what I'm saying? We got Life of JD, man. Life of JD over here. JD Bloody Scat. I go to my bro Instagram. Make sure y'all follow my Instagram and y'all subscribe to his channel. Life of JD. Probably about to head out for the first time on time, y'all. First time on time, we probably about to head out. Yes, sir. I end up looking a little nice, though. I end up looking a little nice. Hey, bro, who put your license? Who put your license?
Put them in?
Yeah.
Easy Customs.
How much they charge?
Just depends. Like, he did all this for $850. But, I mean, they fuck up. But
Hold on, did you already have the lights? Or they ordered them for you?
He ordered them for me.
Alright, bro.
I got it.
Alright. He said he ordered them for you?
Yeah, he ordered these for me, and then I ordered these because I got these after sponsorship.
Oh,
I got these, the engine bay, and then the one down here. I got another strip that I haven't even put down there yet.
Okay. Well, I already got mine. I just need them to get put in.
Yeah. The fastest garage, man, honestly.
Yeah, that's what Lonzo just told me.
Fastest.
Yeah, but Jay, he got to do them too, to put the lights in.
Okay.
So I'm gonna see what they talking about.
Yeah.
Not then that's what
They
I'm
look
talking.
good too, though.
Yeah.
The ones that,
Hey, B saying time. You about ready? Yeah. see that? See that garage? You see the garage on the side, man. That's what I need. You know what I'm saying? That's the goals for me. You know what I'm saying? Goals for me with the Hellcat out in the front, or I can have a truck with that Killer Bee out there in the front, man. But that's the goals for me. You see this? See houses they got out here, man. These houses nice out here, man. Some nice houses out here. You know what I'm saying? We made it out here though. We lined up all the way down there. They are lined up all the way down there, man. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. They look like they're gonna be on their way in a little bit. Who else? 12.
Oh, because
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? They probably gonna be on their way anyway. We ain't doing nothing. You know what I'm saying? We supposed to be here. Y'all let us make it, man. Let us make it. We ain't doing nothing.
it's a good cause.
Good cause, brother. Good cause, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm just still far by your houses out here, man. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even no house person. You know what I'm saying? I'm a penthouse downtown somewhere with the views type of person. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even no house person. But y'all see that? Look at that. Look at the house right there in the 3 garages. I take that. You know what I'm saying? That's me right there. I put my name on it. You know what I'm saying? Woo! Yeah, this goes for me right now. You know what I'm saying? I just changed it already from the penthouse to. First of all, look, y'all see this house coming up. Look at this house coming up right here. I see that. This is the type of neighborhood we in right now. This is the type of neighborhood we in right now. Look at that house. That house dope. Hey man, Hey man. Yeah man. Yeah, that's dope right there. Like the house right there, dope man. And he got the lines in the front. Oh my God, brother. Truck over there, Killer Bee over there. Yes, sir. Truck over there. Killer Bee over there, man. You know what I'm saying? That thing hard. Look at me. I can see myself in that thing right there. You know what I'm saying? I can see myself coming out of that. I can see myself coming out that door right there, man. You know what I'm saying? They out there looking at me. That's me. Get out my house. What happened? I want something to drink. Yeah, I already know. He be like 44 don't eat cheese, so his pizza gonna have nothing but sauce on it. Sauce and pepperoni on it. Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? They got golf courses out here, man. They got soccer fields out here, man. It's out here dope, man. You know what I'm saying? It's dope.
Congratulations, Patrick!
Yeah!
Alright, one boomerang and we done. Done data.
Hey, y'all. I don't care if you're getting a new job. I don't care if you're going to the prom. I don't care if you're going out to college. You know what I'm saying? You want us to send you out, man, hit us up. You know what I'm saying? We always pull up, man. I like doing this anyway. You know what I'm saying? I like doing this anyway. Make sure y'all hit us up. You know what I'm saying? On Instagram. Hit anybody up. Give me like Ice Cat, Hatch, me. Hatch ain't even out here. Me, TJ. Hit everybody up, man. You know what I'm saying? You want us to pull up for you. You want some burnouts. You know what I'm saying? Hit us up. Tell y'all. What I tell y'all? I told you. I knew they was gonna pull up. We ain't did nothing though. They gonna let us make it. They should let us make it. I don't know. But it was inevitable. They're gonna pull up. We gonna go though. We got to go for it. Give me life over there. Look at him. Yeah, I saw somebody on his comment say he take a picture of his car every day. Yeah, I think he right too. I mean, every day he posts, man, he got a picture of his car, bro. It's crazy. Yeah, look though, look, bro. I had to take my paper shirt off, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I had to take my work shirt off. Look at that. Got cap. Man, I need my lights. Done, bro. Look at cap coming up. Cap pulling up. Yeah, I need my lights done. I definitely gotta get my lights done. You know what I'm saying? Look, I can't rock out like that, man. I gotta get my lights done, man. Y'all stay tuned for that, man, because them lights is on the way. You know what I'm saying? We look good over here, though. We look real good over here, though. I gotta get the lights, though. Them lights hard. Yeah, them lights on the way, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. Big Ma's coming to the car, man. Y'all stay tuned. But we just headed to this car meet. This car meet is probably like 40 minutes away. I'm gonna see if we can chop that down by 20. See, y'all, we can chop that down in about 20 minutes. We on the other side of Garland right now, Garland, Texas. We gotta go to Arlington, so we're gonna have to chop that down on the freeway. You know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned. Hey y'all. So look, this is the thing. We were supposed to be headed to the meet, which one of us was already at the meet. They said the meet was packed, meet was crazy. But we on headed to the meet and it just started raining out of nowhere. Yo, like we in Texas. I ain't seen no rain in about 6 months. It been hot every day. Matter of fact, it was like 100 degrees today. You know what I'm saying? It was 100 degrees today, and all of a sudden it's raining hard as hell. I know y'all hear it. You know what I'm saying? It's raining hard as hell. I'm going like 40 miles, 43, man, on the highway right now. You know what I'm saying? I don't care. They gonna provide me all they want to. I ain't gonna go fast for y'all at all. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is crazy, bro. Like, this weather, telling you it can be hot one day, raining the next. They might tell us we got snow coming tomorrow, and we in June right now. They might tell us we got snow coming tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Then we might have a tornado after that. Like, this shit, man, I don't know, man. This messed up my whole night, man. You know what I'm saying? Messed up my whole night. But shout out to man, I forgot her name, man. But anyway, yeah, shout out to them. You know what I'm saying? Her son was going to college, or going off to college, something like that. Yeah. Oh, he graduated. I'm messing up already. Yeah, he graduated. You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, he probably is going off to college, so I'm right. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to them for letting us come through, man. You know what I'm saying? Show up. We ain't do nothing crazy, man, because we was in Garland and the police out there. The police be acting crazy. The police gonna take you to jail. You do anything wrong, the police gonna take you to jail. But hey, that was cool. You know what I'm saying? I guess it was just cool meeting up with the boys for the time that we met up, because we couldn't do nothing. You know what I'm saying? We rode all the way out there to Garland. Supposed to come out there to the meet. Now it's raining. Like, this is crazy, man. I hope they don't do this whole weekend, man, because we supposed to be getting out. You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, y'all stay tuned. We was going to the gun show tomorrow. We were going, me, Lonzo, Hit Me Light 44. We going to the gun show tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned for that, man. Or be ready for that. You know what I'm saying? All of us, we gonna be recording, so y'all be ready for that, man. But thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for liking. Thank y'all for subscribing. Sorry I couldn't get y'all no footage of this cart meet that we was going to. It ain't my fault. Mother Nature decided it just want to fucking rain today for some odd reason. I don't know. It wasn't even in the forecast, but it is what it is, man. Thank y'all for liking. Thank y'all for subscribing, man. See y'all next time.